We're making banh mi sandwiches. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Good Life Cooking. I have with me my crazy niece and nephew.
How dare you?
Charlie and Tristan. They're gonna be making some righteous sandwiches with us, so enjoy the ride. Let's go. You guys like banh mi? Have you had banh mi before?
Yeah.
What do you like about banh mi?
Too meaty.
Too-
Bread.
The bread.
The bread's
really
good.
The bread's really good. But you said you like cilantro.
Cilantro's good too.
You like cilantro? How about spicy? Do you like spicy?
Yeah, I like that. Spicy's nice.
Oh, see, when they were kids, you guys didn't like spicy, but you got a little bit older.
Too spicy is too much.
Palates are more refined, I would say. Let's grab a bun and let's get to making. Yeah? So the key is definitely these fluffy buns, right? They smell good. We toasted them real nice. First things first. Oh, you know what we gotta do? We gotta make Sriracha mayo. You guys like mayo, right?
Mayonnaise depends.
Depends? What? How about Sriracha mayo?
Never tried. Never had that before.
What? Groundbreaking. Okay. Follow your heart, guys. Best brand for mayo. We're going to town with the mayo.
Yeah.
And let's give the Sriracha a good shake. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Look at that red. That red color. That looks great. Do you guys cook a lot at home? What better things do you have to do than cooking?
Read.
Read. She reads a lot. She does read a lot. I think you read bigger books than I do, to be honest. Like thicker, like I don't know. So do you, actually. They both read more than me, so.
You're pathetic.
Oh, wow. Oh, on my channel?
On my
The
channel.
nerve. Jesus. What did I do to you?
Call me crazy?
You are crazy. Let's have you get a generous dip here, and then I'll help you with the spreading. Just literally go to town, girl. Yeah, be generous. Yeah, spread. Chicken? Tofu? What do you prefer?
Tofu.
She likes tofu.
But they don't care about tofu.
They should. School district, start giving out tofu. Kids want it. Yo, you good? You got enough?
No.
Jeez. The last thing you want, guys, is a dry banh mi. That is not the look we're going for. Let's go ahead and add a layer of the meat first. So I want you to take a nice little generous pinch. Yeah. Just make it generous, I'll show you. Some generous meat. Let's do some pickle. I'm gonna help you with this. Do you like pickles and radish? Okay. Do a layer going.
Tristan does.
We'll get you some. We'll just a little.
Yeah,
What do you
that's
think?
good. That's good.
Yeah? Maybe one more carrot for vitamin A.
Vitamin B. Eyes. Vitamin eye sharper thing.
Yeah, vitamin eye sharpening, whatever that is. Cool. Okay, we're gonna grab some cucumbers.
Are you being overly generous?
I think two cucumbers is good. 2 cucumbers here. So far, it's looking decent. It's looking like this. Then we're gonna add a nice pinch of that cilantro. Go ahead and help yourselves. If you guys like cilantro, this is completely optional. Did you guys know that some people think cilantro tastes like just the grossest thing in the world because their genetics or their taste buds process it differently? Yeah. These are spicy.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys want to put a whole... I don't know if you guys want, but...
2.
I'm gonna caution you guys.
We're fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
The last piece of the puzzle here is the secret sauce. And this is what makes banh mi stand out. The secret sauce is Golden Mountain seasoning.
It's not
sauce.
secret anymore.
It is no longer a secret. But it was at first, now it is no longer. It is out in the world now. But we're gonna add this, or you could add Maggi sauce if you have that as well. We're gonna add this to the sandwiches. And just a little dab. Yeah. Let me get you. It's like a seasoned soy sauce, but it's a little bit more, you know what umami is? It's just rich and bold.
It's tongue tingly.
Tongue tingly, okay? Let's cut your guys' sandwiches in half. Give you a nice cut there. cut yours. Ooh, it's crispy, crunchy bread. So good, look at that. Ooh, okay.
Oh, you loaded yours.
Yeah, mine is fat. Was that hard to do?
No.
Pretty easy. Could you do this at home yourself?
Yeah. I wouldn't be able to remember the steps.
I think you would. You know what's cool? They both actually shot everything in the video. I didn't do anything but prep the ingredients. Cheers.
Cheers.
Boom. Boom. Ready? Go. Mmm. Mmm.
That's secret sauce.
You taste the secret sauce? Mmm. That's good. All right, real question. How much would you pay for this?
$10.
10 bucks? How much would you pay for this now?
8.
$8, so we got $8, 10. I would give it a $7.50 right now. I think would be a fair price. But we live in San Francisco, and that's just impossible. What can you get in San Francisco for $7.50?
Nothing. You can't get this.
The jalapeno not too spicy?
I think I haven't tasted it.
How are you guys okay with that?
Are you not?
I mean, it's definitely there. I definitely don't think I liked cilantro as a kid. I definitely didn't like jalapenos all over my sandwich. That's some advanced. You guys are like on another level type of thing. Wait, tell me why you guys' taste buds are so elevated.
Because I'm built different. I eat a lot of food, different foods.
That's true. Your mom feeds you well. Well, what do you guys think of vegan banh mi? Could you tell it's vegan?
No, I couldn't. Not really.
Do you think this is just a decent option, or is it like it actually competes with the rest of the banh mi's in the world?
It competes because I also like how I know that like someone didn't kill an animal.
You are wise beyond your years. I think we're good. Is there anything that you guys want to offer? Words of wisdom to the people out there looking to make banh mi sandwiches in the future?
Experiment.
You know what's funny? She told me the other day, she was like, I feel like I've lived like many lives before me. Like old soul type of stuff right here. Cause I feel like I've lived like 25 years old. Like that's it. That's all I got.
You wish.
Oh, wow. Wow. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't tell the people how old I really am here. All right, anyways, we are done. We are out of here. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of this. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, bell, whatever you gotta do. We'll be back. Catch you on the next one.
Bye.